Hold that weight like that with your stomach muscle. Now, breathe in, make your belly big. Breathe out, make your belly small. One more time. Breathe in, make your belly big. Breathe out, make your belly small. Just like that. How many of you, even after those 2 or 3 breaths, feel a little better? Another way to calm everybody down. So I work with some autistic children that we vibrate with each other because we're atoms constantly vibrating on a very super fast level. So what I actually do is we do different noises that gets the whole entire classroom to refocus. So everybody breathe in, and you're going to do an ah sound. You're going to go like this. You're just going to go ah. Try to have this in your throat. Try to have this in your belly. So breathe in. Everybody go ah. All right, good. Let's do an O sound. Like make an O face. No, not that face. The other O face. So you're going to go like this. Breathe in. And you're going to go. And now breathe in, make an M sound. Breathe in, and now go. And if you did it, pause, what do you feel? How many of you feel like your whole body's like vibrating? So that actually connects you with other people because everybody's vibrating at such a fast level. Does that make sense?
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.